So today I'm here to be a little bit of a strict teacher, and I'm going to tell you, don't practice your singing exercises while driving your car. And if you're an instrumentalist, don't practice your scales and arpeggios while sitting on the couch watching YouTube, Netflix, listening to podcasts. So I've been teaching singing for quite a long time, and often I have students come to me quite excited and they tell me they finally found the perfect time to fit practice into their really busy schedule. And that time is their hour commute to work while they're driving their car stuck in traffic. And I understand you have this hour, it feels like an hour of dead time stuck in traffic. And as a singer, we don't have an instrument, so we can just put a recording on and sing along to it. But this is not the ideal time for practice. Practice is not just about mechanically using our voices or mechanically running our scales. Practice should be about listening to ourselves and reflecting and then making changes so that we can improve. So, of course, if you sing in the car, you are working your voice, and maybe this is fine for maintaining some kind of dexterity, for maintaining your technique, but I think you are not going to see improvements if this is the only time you are practicing. So what we tend to find is that if we spend an hour in the car slightly distractedly singing through some playlists of exercises versus at home spending 20 minutes really focused on analysing and problem solving and experimenting with our voices, that 20 minutes is going to be worth so much more than the hour distractedly singing through our exercises, maybe being angry at some other drivers doing crazy things on the road. And the same, if we are playing our instruments on the couch while watching something, it feels like we're multitasking, we're getting the most out of our time, we're making something boring, playing scales, palatable by listening to a podcast, by watching some YouTube. We can make things like washing the dishes palatable by listening to a podcast, but scales are not just this routine muscular thing. Scales also, we can improve if we actually listen to the way we're playing. We concentrate on the way we're playing our scales, then we can get much more improvement in a shorter amount of time. We don't have to spend 3 hours on the couch running our scales, watching YouTube. We only need to spend that 20 minutes really focused on the problem at hand. Hi, I'm Erica. I am a musician and music teacher, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more practice tips, motivation and inspiration. And also share this video with any friends who are also practicing music. And finally, if you like, you can stick around for a short meditation at the end of this video to prepare you for a great day's practice. So happy practicing, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So let's just take a few moments now to prepare the body and the mind for practice. Make your space comfortable. Take out your instrument and any books or music you need for your practice. And then when you're ready, coming to a place of stillness, either sitting or standing, maybe with your instrument. Soft focus in the eyes, and then taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Then another inhale, and with the exhale, closing your eyes. We're going to scan through the body from top to bottom, just watching as any tension in the body releases, melts away. Starting at the top of the body, the head, the forehead, the point between the eyebrows, the cheekbones, the lips, tongue, the neck, all the tension releasing, melting away. the shoulders, the upper back, and the chest. The upper half of each arm, the lower half of each arm, the wrists, every muscle in the hands, and in each finger, down each joint all the way to the fingertips, relaxing, releasing the diaphragm, the lower back, the area of the pelvis, the upper half of each leg, the knees, and the lower half of each leg. Every muscle releasing, relaxing. The ankles, the feet, and finally the toes. Every muscle in the body released, relaxed, at ease. And then just sitting for a moment, taking another few breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. And then when you're ready, blinking the eyes open, ready for practice.